to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate the opening of a new school year. Today, 11th November, marks the beginning of an exciting journey filled with learning, growth, and new opportunities. On behalf of everyone here, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you. First and foremost, I would like to extend a special welcome to our esteemed Chief Guest, Amit Kumar Pandey Sir, District Magistrate of Khagaria. Amrendra Kumar Gaun Sir, District Education Officer Khagaria. Mufti Zafar Arif Sahab Sir, General Secretary All India Milk Council. Archana Ma'am, Chairman Khagaria. Vinay Patel Sir, Mohan Roy Sir, Mufti Nematullah Sahab Sir, Zafirul Hassan Sahab, Master Jamil Sahab Mazahari, Hafiz Masli Uddin Sahab, Mufti Muzahid Islam Sahab, Mufti Imatullah Sahab Qasmi, Mufti Fakhr Alam Sahab, Sahabuddin Sahab Sir, Deputy Chairman Khagaria, who has graciously taken the time to join us today. Your presence here is a great honor for us, and we urgently look forward to hearing your inspiring words. Thank you for your support and encouragement. We are also deeply grateful to our director and the Sham Sir, whose vision, leadership, and unwavering dedication continue to drive this institution forward. Your guidance has been instrumental in making this school a place where dreams are nurtured and futures are shaped. A warm welcome to also goes to our respected Chairman Maulana Munazir Hussain Naqvi Sir, whose continued support and commitment to the development of education play a vital role in ensuring that this school remains a center of excellence. Your vision for a better, brighter future for our students is truly inspiring. Now, as we stand on the threshold of this new school, here let us reflect on the importance of the path we are about to talk. Education is not just a process of gaining knowledge. It is a powerful tool for transformation. It shapes us into the individuals we will become and empowers us to make meaningful contributions to society. Now I am talking about the power of education. Education is the key unlocking our potential and opening doors to new opportunities. I provide us with the knowledge to understand the world around us and the skills to navigate through it. But even more than that, education is about cultivating a mindset of curiosity and creativity. It helps us become problem solvers, critically thinkers, and compassionate individuals who can make a difference in our communities beyond. It is through education that we learn to challenge the status quo, to big dream, and to strive for excellence in all that we should. Schools are not just a place where we memorize base. They are environments where we discover our passion, build our character, and our shape future. Now I'm talking about why we need to schools. A school is a place where we are not only taught lessons from books, but also valuable lessons about life. In school we learn to work as a team, to respect others, and embrace the diversity that makes us strong. We discover the power of collaboration, the importance of discipline, and the value of hard work. But school also gives us the space to dream and to inspire. It is here that we begin to imagine the future we want to create, whether it's as a doctor, an engineer, an artist, or an leader. Our teachers, mentors, and friends help us see the endless possibilities that education provides, and they challenge us to go beyond what we thought was possible. Education as a foundation for human progress. Education is not just an individual pursuit. It is a collective endeavor that shapes the future of humanity. With knowledge and skill, we are improved to solve problems, to innovate, and address the challenges facing our year one of learning, growth and success. Thank you, and I wish you all an enriching and rewarding school year ahead.
थैंक यू, शुक्रिया। खुद ही को कर इतना बुलंद कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुद ही को कर इतना बुलंद कि हर तकदीर से पहले